Hi friends, here we will discuss one basic algebra, one basic theorem in geometry, which is the angular bisector of any angle in a triangle bisects the side in the ratio of the other two sides. For example, this angular bisector of angle A will divide BC in the ratio of other two sides. That means BD by DC equals AB by AC. Right. This is what we have to prove. A BD by DC equals AB by AC. Right. Let's look at this one. What we do, let's say this is the angular bisector. Now let us let us draw one more line through C which is parallel to let us draw this line now. Let us assume this is A B C. This is A B C D. Right. And let us draw a line which is parallel to AD through C. This line and this line are parallel. Right. This line and this line are parallel. Now let's extend this one and connect it at some, let's say, let this point be E. Right. Now these two lines are parallel, AD and CE. And there is a transversal. What is this transversal? AC is a transversal. So obviously this angle is equals this angle. Right. This is a transversal. So this angle equals this angle. Right. Because these two are parallels. What is this angle? This angle is theta, which equals this angle. Right. Now this angle is also theta. Right. We are talking about a parallel line like this and extending like this. Right. Now, right. This angle is theta. This is theta. This is also theta. Right. Now again, these two are parallel lines, and this is a transversal. So this angle should be equal to this angle. If this is theta, this is also theta. What does that mean? This triangle ACE, this is theta, this and then this angle are same, this and this angle are same. What does that mean? Automatically this side and this side are equal. Right, sides opposite to opposite angles, equal angles are equal, right? So AC equals AE. Why? Because angle DAC equals angle ACE. DAC is this equals ACEB is this because AD and EC are parallel because AD is parallel to EC. Right. This is opposite angles in the transversal, right? These two are equal. Right. Now, now let us draw one more parallel line through D to this DA and CE. So basically we have three parallels. Right. This is B and B and DA and CE. Right. And this BC is one line and this is another line. Right. We know in between parallel lines, the ratio of this and this should be equal to ratio of this and this. Right. In between any parallel lines, there are three parallel lines. And if you are drawing any two lines, we already know this is x, this is y, and this is p, this is q. X by y equals p by q. Right. We already know this. Right. What does that mean? BD by DC equals BA by AE. Right. Because these two are parallels. BD by DC equals these three are parallels. The line this, and this. So BD by DC equals BA by AE. Right. What is AE? AE is nothing but AC. Right. This is what we wanted to prove. Right. A equals AC. So basically, what does that mean? This by this, BD by DC, equals this by this, which is nothing but this by this. Right. That is what we wanted to prove. Now, this result, right? What is this result? Between parallel lines, whatever transverses that you take, whatever transverses that you take, let's say we take it like this: x by y equals p by q. Right. This is a simple statement only, but we should know how to prove this also. Right. X by y equals p by q. Right. Let's do one thing. How do we do this? Let's take this triangle. Let's take this triangle and this part, right? Let's move this part, this y part. Let's draw another parallel line to this y and draw it here and complete this triangle. This upper triangle and this lower triangle are exactly similar. Why? This angle equals this angle equals this angle. Right? Because these are parallel lines only. Right? This and this are parallel lines. And this angle and equal, this angle is equal to this angle. Right? This angle is this angle. Similarly, this angle is equaling to this angle. Right? Because again, these two are parallel and this is the same line, same transversal. So we have this angle equals this angle and this angle equals this angle. But automatically, what does that mean? The third angle in the triangle should be equal. So we have all the three angles in the upper triangle as well as lower triangle equal. Right. Now, this is a parallelogram. Right. This part is a parallelogram because this is between two parallel lines. What does that mean? This equals y. Right. And these two are similar triangles. Right. This is x, this is y, this is p, this is q. So x by y equals p by q automatically. Right, because these two are similar triangles, corresponding sides, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal. If this is z and this is w, then equals z by w also. Right. So that's how we prove that this angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the other two sides. Here we have proved two important results. One is this result, the other is between parallel lines, whatever is the transversal, the ratio of these transversals is always same. Whichever transversal you take, ratio of lengths of this transversal between the parallel lines. Right, that is the same across any transversal. Okay, guys. Thank you.